This is how my dog wakes me up. She comes into the room, she stomps all over me, and then she starts to do that. She itches herself and goes rawr, 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 and does this. This is not a toy. It's a good girl, but go see see someone else. There's other humans in this house. And I'm not the one that plays with you. You done? Thank you. Yeah, guys, I'm not currently in my room. I sleep in the living room because broken bones make it difficult to get upstairs. Anyway, that was my dog, and that's how she wakes me up. Yeah, bye. Never mind, she's back. What do you gotta say for yourself, Killy? This? Really? Ignoring me? That's the best you got? Oh yes, that face. Very photogenic. You leaving? Are you leaving? She's almost gone. Don't get me wrong, guys. I love my dog. It's just I am tired and she does this to me.